Most people in their 30s are quietly making the same 7 money mistakes. And the scary part is, none of them feel like mistakes. They feel completely normal. They feel responsible even. But these 7 habits are the exact reason so many people hit 35. Look at their bank account and wonder where all their money went. Welcome to Wealth Shift, where we make money simple, and today, I'm walking you through all 7 and exactly how to fix each one. Number 5 is the one almost nobody catches. Let's get into it. Here's the thing about money mistakes. They don't announce themselves. Nobody wakes up and decides to sabotage their finances. Instead, you make 100 small, reasonable-sounding decisions. You buy the car because you need to get to work. You skip investing because the market feels risky right now. You pay the minimum on your card because technically, you're not behind. Each choice feels fine in isolation. But money compounds in both directions. The same math that turns a small monthly investment into hundreds of thousands of dollars also quietly drains your future when it works against you. The average person in their 30s isn't broke because they earn too little. They're broke because of these 7 specific leaks. So let's plug them. Mistake number 1. Keeping your money in a regular savings account. Right now, the average traditional savings account pays you about 0.01% in interest. Meanwhile, inflation is eating 3 to 4% of your money's value every single year. That means every dollar you leave in a normal savings account is actively losing purchasing power. You're not saving, you're slowly shrinking. The fix takes about 10 minutes. Move your savings into a high-yield savings account. These pay 4 to 5% right now, with the same protection and the same easy access. On a $5,000 emergency fund, that's the difference between earning 50 cents a year and earning over $200 a year. Same money, same safety. You just stop donating it to your bank. Mistake number 2, leaving your 401k match on the table. If your employer offers to match your retirement contributions and you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you are literally turning down free money. A typical match is 50 cents to $1 for every dollar you put in, up to a limit. That's an instant 50 to 100% return, something no investment on earth reliably offers. If you do nothing else after this video, log into your benefits portal and contribute at least enough to capture the entire match. Over a career, skipping the match can cost you well over $100,000. Mistake number 3. Lifestyle inflation. This one's sneaky because it feels like success. You get a raise, and within a month your spending quietly rises to match it. Bigger apartment, nicer car, more subscriptions. The raise vanishes, and your savings rate never moves. Here's the fix. The next time your income goes up, automatically send at least half of the increase straight to savings or investments. Before you ever see it, you still get to enjoy a lifestyle bump. You just don't let your expenses swallow every raise for the rest of your life. Mistake number 4. Paying only the minimum on your credit cards. Credit card companies design the minimum payment to keep you in debt as long as legally possible. On a $5,000 balance at 24% interest, paying just the minimum can take you over 15 years to clear and cost you thousands in interest alone. The fix is the avalanche method. List your debts. Throw every extra dollar at the highest interest one first while paying minimums on the rest. Then roll that payment to the next. Even an extra $100 a month can cut years off your timeline. Mistake number 5, the one almost nobody catches. Not investing because you're waiting for the right time. Here's the truth that costs people the most. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Someone who invests $200 a month starting at 30 will likely have far more at retirement than someone who waits until 40 and invests twice as much. Because the early investor's money had an extra decade to compound. Waiting for the perfect moment is itself the mistake. The fix: set up an automatic monthly investment into a low-cost index fund and let it run. Automate it so you never have to feel brave on any given day. Mistake number 6. Having no real emergency fund. Without a cushion, a single surprise, a car repair, a medical bill, a job gap forces you onto high-interest credit, and you start the debt cycle all over again. The fix is to build up 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, kept in that high-yield account we talked about. Start with a goal of $1,000, then build from there. Automate a small weekly transfer so it grows without willpower. And mistake number 7, having no written budget, not a restrictive, joyless spreadsheet. Just a clear plan for where your money goes before the month starts. People without a plan consistently underestimate their spending by hundreds of dollars a month. The fix is the 50-30-20 framework. 50% of take-home pay to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt payoff. Use a free app to track it automatically. What gets measured gets managed. So here's your plan for the next 7 days. Day 1, open a high-yield savings account. Day 2, log in and capture your full 401k match. Day 3, list your debts and pick your avalanche target. Day 4, set up one automatic monthly investment, even if it's just $50. That's 4 days. That can change the entire trajectory of your 30s. If even one of these hit home, do me a favor and subscribe. I publish 2 of these every week, breaking money down so it actually makes sense. And go watch this next video right here, where I show you exactly how to invest your first $1,000, step by step. I'll see you there.